Go to Advanced tool, select Kitchen and Bath. In Alpha Kitchen, you can see TV unit accessories. From that, select vertical panel and place it on the floor. Duplicate that. And adjust the position like this. Then select the panels and adjust the height. And take an open unit and place it above the panel by adjusting the parameters on the right side. Like distance from floor, height. Then, adjust the third panel height to 1800 millimeters. Duplicate the first panel and adjust the position and distance from the floor. And duplicate that panel and move the position of the duplicated panel. Duplicate the open unit and adjust the position like this. Duplicate the panel and adjust the position like this. So this is how you can create a partition. By holding the Shift button, select all the panels and group them like this. Then, for that grouped component, change the material on the right side. You can add those components to your favorites by selecting the folder. You can see that model in your personal catalog, so you can use that model for further projects.